Hi everyone, today we bring you two weekly insights on joint weight method. Capricorn Technologies, a venture company having a legacy of over 3 decades, has now become a partner of choice for AC industry. We are one of the biggest platinum partners of Autodesk and Bentley, along with authorized training center. Today, with over 10 plus offices across India and 300 plus inspired team members, Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in building, infrastructure, manufacturing, and large number of other industries. Myself, Dipali Arora, solution specialist in structures at Capricorn Technologies, New Delhi, will present you with weekly insights. In this video, we will learn how to provide joint weights for seismic analysis, creation of pin supports, and load combinations. Also, for the post-processing part, we will see how we can see reaction tables and some introduction to STAAD editor. All the loads, all the dead load and live loads. See, dead loads, live loads. Next step is to define seismic definition. How we will define all these load cases and seismic definition. For this, please watch my previous video as I have already covered this part in detail. Let's move to the main part of the procedure. First, we need to assign pin support at every column and beam junction. Why we need to do this? Because to calculate seismic weight, the weight at each floor need to be considered. So, click on supports. From here, click on create, select pinned, click on add. Pin support is added over here. Now we have to assign it to every column and beam junction. To do that, we have to click on, I'll click on view. I'll say left view. I'll select beam parallel to y-axis. I'll click on view. I'll click on select objects. Now what I will do is I'll click on this pin support and I will assign to all the beam and column junctions. Assign. Yes. Now I will click on view display whole structure. See, pin support is assigned. Now we will create a load combination. For click on loading, click on load cases detail, click on add. Click on define combination. I'll write name as dead load plus 0.25 live load. Why 0.25 live load? Because as per Indian standard code, if live load is less than or equal to 3, we have to consider 25% of live load in our structure. And if the live load is greater than 5 or 3, then we have to consider 5% of live load. So I will click all these load cases and put it on right side. Load case 5 is our live load. So I'll say factor as 0.25 and I'll say load number as 100 and I will add this. This is a load combination we will use for our calculating joint weights. Now what we will do is I'll click on analysis. A form analysis command is already added. So I will just click on run analysis. This is the very important part of this procedure. Click on post processing. Select all these load cases. Click on this arrow. Now only select this load combination that we have created. Click on apply and OK. Now click from here, this table, click on right click from the mouse, select support reaction table, select this table and copy this table in Excel sheet. Simply Control-C, Control-V. For our joint weight, we not need all these movements. We only need forces in y direction. So I will delete all these loads. Here I will write weight and copy it till down. Now select all this joint weight, go back to STAAD, click on utilities, click on command file. Now where we have to paste all these joint weights, we have to paste all these joint weight just below our seismic definition that we have defined. Control V. See, this was our seismic definition. Now I will unhide this with the help of this uncomment option, and I will hide this pin supports because now the part of pin support is over because we have already calculated joint weights. Now what I will do is I'll just simply click on save and close. Okay, error is showing because I forgot to add joint weight command. This is must to avoid these kind of syntax error. I've added now joint weight command. I'll click on save. Now I'll click on close. Now I will run my analysis. See, now 0 errors and 0 warnings. So this was all about joint weight method using pin support. I hope you guys had an insightful session. We shall be presenting with how to generate automatic load combinations in our next insight. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel, Capricorn Technologies Private Limited. Like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any queries, suggestions, or topics you would want to discuss. See you next week. Bye-bye.